Welcome to ARM Technologies KSA.
Today we are taking you on journey to explore different types of CNC machines and services provided by ARM Technologies KSA.
CNC milling machine. These machines remove material from a workpiece and precisely shape it to the required specifications using high-speed cutting tools. CNC lathe machine. These machines rotate the workpiece while a cutting tool is used to remove material. They are well suited for creating cylindrical parts, such as shafts, gears, and bearings. CNC grinding machines. CNC grinding machines are used for precision material removal. They utilize a rotating grinding wheel to remove small amounts of material from a workpiece, achieving high surface quality and accuracy. CNC drilling machines. These machines use drill bits to create holes in a workpiece. They can be simple or complex, with multiple axes for drilling holes at any angle. Vertical turning lathe. VTL is a specialized lathe designed for machining large diameter workpieces. Unlike a traditional lathe, the workpiece is rotated on a vertical table while the cutting tool is mounted on a ram that can move horizontally and vertically. Vertical machining center. A vertical machining center is a CNC machine tool that uses a vertically mounted spindle to drill, tap, bore, ream, and mill parts. Horizontal machining center. A horizontal machining center is a CNC machine tool that uses a horizontally mounted spindle to machine large, heavy workpieces.
Machine reconditioning. Machine reconditioning is the process of restoring a machine to near original condition by repairing or replacing worn-out parts, cleaning it thoroughly, and repainting it. It's essentially an extensive overhaul that aims to bring the machine back to a functional and productive state. This can be a cost-effective alternative to buying new machinery, especially for older or less critical machines. Retrofitting, which means it involves modifying a machine by adding new components. This can improve a machine's performance, efficiency, or safety. For instance, adding a robotic arm to a CNC machine can enhance its automation capabilities. Our comprehensive breakdown service support is designed to ensure that any unexpected machine failures are swiftly and effectively resolved, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. CNC part programming and application support services designed to optimize your machining processes and maximize the efficiency and precision of your CNC operations. Our expert team is equipped to assist with everything from initial programming to ongoing application support, ensuring your CNC machines perform at their best.
Thanks for watching.